In this tutorial, we'll quickly see how to set up a new document in Adobe Illustrator and how to use the guides. So I'm going to open Illustrator. There's one I've already got open. Let's do a new one. File, New. You can make your infographic any size you'd like. I have mine set as 16 by 20 because that's a standard poster size. But if you want to change that, there's some pre-selected sizes here, or you can type in your own. Let's do 16 by 20. And again, it's opening that thing I already had open. Never mind that. So here is my new document, and you might notice some of you might have the rulers on the top and side of your document, and some of you might not. If you don't see the rulers, you should hit Command R or Control R if you're on a PC, and those rulers will show up. And this will help us set our guides. Now the guides are little measuring bars that will show up on your document but not on the finished printed piece. And if you click on the ruler and drag it over, it'll create a guide, and you can measure it. You can eyeball it by that ruler up there, and it'll create this blue guide on your document that you can then align things with. Now, it's not very precise the way I'm looking at it here, and usually the default is you can't move those guides once you've got them there. But we want to make them more precise, so let's go to View, Guides, and unclick Lock Guides. And now we can move them around, and we can also do things to change where they're located. If I'm clicked on this guide, you'll see on the top I have the X and Y value suddenly appear for where my guide is located. I want to change the X value, which is its measurement across. Right now it's like 0.48 inches. I want it to be exactly ½ an inch, so I'm going to change that to 0.5 inches away. Same with the top one. Its Y value is close, but I want it to be exactly 0.5 inches. Now, if I want to put these same guides on the other ends of my documents, I could drag a new one, or I can do some math in the measurement box up here. So it's 16 inches across. If I want ½ an inch margin on each side, I'm going to add 15 inches to the guide that's already there to create my next one. I'm going to hold down Option, or if you're on a PC, hold down Alt and hit Return, and that's going to make a new guide, adding together the 15 plus the 0.5 that I already had. This is a quick way, and the same way with my Y, I'm going to add 19 because the entire page is 20, and I want ½ inch margins. So I'm going to go plus 19, Option, Return, and I've automatically got my guide set up. I can also put one halfway through the page. Here's another way I can do math in the box. Let's say I dragged it all the way over here to 16. I'm just going to go divided with a slash by 2. If I don't hold down the Option key, it won't make a duplicate, it'll just move that guide. So I just put a guide right in the middle of my page. This might help if you're looking for, a column. I can even put one ½ an inch from that one as well. That's 0.5. And then have nice little handy guides that'll give me a beautiful space here to work within. And so that's all totally customizable and will really help you in your layout. And again, once you print or see this final page, these light blue guides aren't going to show up. If you want to keep things from moving around while you keep working, let's go back to View, Guides, and do Lock Guides again. And that way when I'm dragging boxes around, I'm not accidentally selecting and moving the guides. I can select the box. And one more thing that might help you, if I want this box to be my background, Object, Lock, lock selection, and it's locked as well.